Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Google Workspace. If you're managing a workspace for a global team or simply prefer using the admin console in your native language, this quick adjustment will make navigation much smoother for you. First, open your web browser and navigate to admin.google.com. This is your gateway to all Google Workspace administrative settings. You'll need to sign in using your Google Workspace administrator account, so make sure you have those credentials ready. This ensures you have the necessary permissions to make changes across your workspace settings. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the admin console homepage. From here, look for the option labeled Account Settings or Company Profile. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your Google Workspace edition, but both will get you where you need to go. If you don't immediately see these options on your main dashboard, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on More Controls. This will expand additional administrative options, and from there you can access company profile or directory settings. Next, click on Profile or look for a language option nested under Company Profile. This section houses all the language customization settings for your admin console. You're specifically looking for a setting that says Language or Admin Console Language. This is where you'll define which language the entire interface displays in, affecting menus, buttons, and all administrative text. Now comes the simple part. Click on the language drop-down menu and you'll see a list of available languages. Browse through and select the language you want your admin console to display in. This change will immediately affect how you interact with all workspace management tools, making it easier to navigate and configure settings in your preferred language. Finally, look for the Save or Save Changes button, usually located at the bottom of the settings page. Click it to apply your language update. The admin console will refresh, and you should now see the interface displayed in your newly selected language. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.